Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's look into the divisions of the thalamic nuclei. So we divide it into the specific projection nuclei as well as a non-specific projection nuclei. So what happens in the specific projection nuclei? So under this specific projection nuclei, you have the specific sensory relay nuclei. So there's a specific sensory relay nuclei. So this includes the medial geniculate bodies, the lateral geniculate bodies, and the ventral posterior group. So medial geniculate body, MGB. Then there is the LGB and also the ventral posterior group, VP group. Next, moving on to the motor control nuclei. So this includes the ventral anterior nucleus. So ventral anterior nuclei or nucleus and the ventral lateral nucleus. Next, moving on to the visceral efferent control nuclei. The visceral efferent control nuclei, it includes the anterior group of nuclei, so anterior group of the nuclei as well as the dorsomedial nuclei. Next is the integrative and the perpetual function control nuclei. Integrative and the perceptual function control nuclei. So this includes the pulvinar nucleus, the lateral dorsal nucleus, as well as the lateral posterior nucleus. So the first one we saw was pulvinar nucleus, lateral dorsal nucleus and the lateral posterior nucleus. Now this was all the specific projection nuclei. Now looking at the non-specific. So what does the non-specific include? The non-specific, it receives impulses from the different secondary response. So it receives the impulses, and this is for the diffuse secondary response. Diffuse response for the RAS and project diffusely of the RAS, and it projects diffusely to the whole of the neocortex. So it is present diffusely to the whole of the neocortex. So what are the other things present here? There's a midline nuclei, there's a centromedian nuclei, as well as the infralamellar nuclei. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.